Cheers, Muses. I'm Erica Papillon-Posey, and welcome to another segment of Suits Souls by EPP, where I inspire you toward your own personal style muse with looks from my own personal boudoir. So what do I have for you today? I've got two looks for you in shades of gray. I love gray. It's really a versatile color. I liken gray to black, which is my ultimate favorite color. I think gray and shades of gray are literally a close second to black for me. You'll find tons of gray in my wardrobe, almost as much as black. But yeah, we have two varying looks for you today, all in shades of gray. So let's get started, shall we? Remember the tan suit that I wore for you a couple of weeks ago? The Banana Republic factory suit? Well, I have another one, a variation on that suit's theme today, but again, from Banana Republic factory. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's get started with these trousers. These are actual culottes. Now, I love culottes. I really do, because I am a petite girl, and anything that makes my legs look longer or me look taller by extension is a win-win for me. So don't sleep on culottes, okay? I love these culottes. And these are really highlighted with these wonderful details. Look at this. You see this extra material here that you can button and unbutton? It's just a wonderful detail that really sets it apart from just your typical traditional trouser, right? In this wonderful herringbone print. Again, this is a wool blend, fully lined, just like the other suit that I showed you, that tan suit. But again, these are culottes from Banana Republic factory. Wonderful, right? And I paired it with this matching waistcoat, this matching vest. Again, the button detail, fully lined, as you can tell in the back. I love it when it cinches. You know, a lot of waistcoats today, because it really is a trending item, a lot of them, the cheaper ones, don't generally have the the draw belting ability on the back of them. Because, you know, our waist sizes are obviously all different. We come in various shapes and sizes, and you need details like that for proper styling, yeah? Just a great ensemble. And under this suit, I use this shell, this satin blend shell, this sleeveless pussy bow top that has been in my closet, like many other things that I've discussed with you. This has been in my closet, I think, about 20 years. No joke, at least 20 years. Do you guys remember the store, the retailer called Newport News? Yes, that is where I purchased this from. And remember, I told you that I purchase items toward for the long term, items that are going to wear well, cost per wear in your closet, that you can really use on and on, over and over again throughout the years. I do not have a tendency to purchase items that go toward, you know, something that's trendy or a current trend, but just items that will transition well in anyone's wardrobe or in your wardrobe for years to come. So I can't wait for you to see me style that entire ensemble for you. So what did I add to that ensemble in terms of shoe wear? We did is Sam Edelman City Sandal. It's got this wonderful detailing on the heel, the stiletto heel. It's an anthracite heel with a suede heel here, and then a closed toe T-bar action going on here. And this is actually a painted cow hair, but almost in like, you see that, like a camel print, but it is actual painted cow hair. Again, very well made. Another staple from my closet that I will not be getting rid of anytime soon because they're just so beautifully done. Sam Edelman, always a favorite of mine. And in terms of bags, I did this clutch. Now remember with the tan suit that I styled for you, I actually had the patinaed burnt looking one in gold that I paired with that suit. This is exactly the same geometric design and pattern from Zara. I purchased both of these clutches again years ago when they first came out a few years ago. Again, in that anthracite color, just great. And matches the heel on the Sam Edelman City Sandal. Right? And of course, not to be outdone by these classic aviators, right? Now, I have aviators in every color because they're so versatile. Aviators are classic. They never go out of style. And you have to have one for every ensemble color and look, do you not? Of course you do, right? So aviators, again, from Amazon, which you can find any and everything at Amazon. But what was the second gray look that I styled for you today? I'm wearing it, right? This is a two-piece, really weighty knit set by Nicole Miller. This is by Nicole Miller, right? But from Marshalls. This entire set was, wait for it, $40. Now, look, ladies, don't sleep on Marshalls. And guys, by extension, because I always see men of all ages, nationalities, what have you, shopping in Marshalls. It is as popular, I think, as TJ Maxx is, as they're actually owned by the same conglomerate. TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So you will find many of the same designs and items in both stores, but great prices nonetheless. Again, this entire two-piece knit ensemble is from Marshalls, but by Nicole Miller. And look at the buttons. Same anthracite color buttons. You see that there? Again, that matches beautifully with the Sam Edelman heel on the City Sandal, as well as my clutch. Yes, I can't wait for you to see. Again, just a little while longer, so stick around so you can check out the shoot that we did for you in styling these. But both looks were punctuated by this incredible car coat by Ann Taylor. Look at this two-tone gray. Remember I told you? How beautiful is this? Again, classic, timeless design from Ann Taylor in this car coat. Remember I said to you in a previous video that I have a tendency not to purchase, especially items that are a little costly. If it doesn't have some kind of lining in it, or obvious love has not been put into the construction of the garment, then I will not purchase them. This coat is an exception because it does not have a lining in the coat, but it's still so incredibly well made that I had to purchase it. As obviously it's been in my wardrobe for about 10 years as well. That's how well made it is. And it's another item that I will not be getting rid of. Ann Taylor. Is this not fire? Now, in terms of gray outerwear or gray coats of this manner, I think I have about 6 of them in various shades of gray, which you will see in looks to come. But again, both of the gray ensemble treats that I styled for you today is punctuated by that Ann Taylor car coat in wool. So I hope you like it. I really do hope that you like the look of both ensembles. And let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. But thank you so very much for joining me today on another episode of Suits Souls by EPP. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for notifications on all new episodes. So until then, à bientôt, Muses. Stick around for the fashion show. Bye-bye.